Welcome. In this channel, we explain automotive terms. A pushrod is a metal tube that transmits the reciprocating motion of a valve lifter to the valve. It sits on the valve lifter and rises into the rocker arm. Pushrod engines typically feature one camshaft located within the engine block, along with a timing chain that connects the cam to the crankshaft. Another name for them is overhead valve engines because their valves are in the cylinder head above the combustion chamber. Pushrods transfer energy from the camshaft lobe to their associated rocker arms and valves. They open the valves, which are critical to engine operation. Additionally, pushrods also transfer lubricant via the valve lifter to the cylinder head. Both ends of the pushrod usually have holes drilled in them to facilitate the movement of engine oil. During the operation of the pushrod engine, the pushrods poke up from the camshaft. The rods extend above the top of the cylinder until they reach the rocker arms. Pressed by the pushrods, the rocker arms move the inverted valve away from the cylinder head casting. The movement will open valves on top of the cylinder heads. Pushrod engines aren't found in more vehicles because they come with significant drawbacks such as limited revolutions. While pushrod engines are light, pushrods themselves have considerable mass. So are the rocker arms associated with them. They need the mass to withstand the immense pressure exerted by the engine. This mass restricts the number of revolutions that the engine can reach. While pushrod engines can generate power quickly, they can't produce the same number of revolutions as overhead cam engines. Because a pushrod engine can't rev as high, it might struggle to meet heavy loads such as driving up steep inclines. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code eraser by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.